China just dropped another AI bombshell that could completely change the way we work, think, and interact with technology. And no, I'm not talking about one of those chatbots. This one thinks, it plans, it acts. Meet Manus AI, a fully autonomous system developed by Monica. It doesn't just process requests, it figures things out on its own. Some call it China's DeepSeek moment. Others point to glitches and flaws. Is Manus AI a real breakthrough or just another tech hype? Let's find out. Launched on March 6, 2025, by the Chinese startup Monica, Manus AI is designed to do more than just respond to prompts. It plans, executes, and refines tasks without needing constant user input. Unlike ChatGPT or Gemini, which rely on step-by-step instructions, Manus AI handles entire workflows on its own. You simply give it a task, and it takes care of the rest. It's built to be practical and adaptable across different fields. For example, it can analyze financial transactions to detect patterns, screen job applicants based on multiple criteria, search for rental properties and compare the best options, or even generate dashboards from a single prompt. The goal is to make AI feel less like a tool you constantly have to guide, and more like an assistant that works alongside you. With the ability to process large amounts of information and improve over time, Manus AI aims to simplify complex tasks and help users focus on decision-making rather than manual effort. So, what makes Manus AI different? Unlike traditional AI that waits for instructions at every step, Manus AI takes a more independent approach. It's built as a multi-agent system, meaning it combines several specialized AI models to handle a wide range of tasks. Two of its core large language models in short LLMs are Claude 3.5 Sonnet and Quen, and there's talk that Butterfly Effect plans to upgrade it to Claude 3.7 for even better performance. One of Manus AI's standout features is its ability to remember past actions. If you ask it to export data analysis results into a PDF, it will remember that preference and apply it automatically the next time. This makes it more than just a tool. It's an AI that adapts and refines its workflow over time. So, how does it actually work? Instead of needing detailed prompts, Manus understands the task, figures out the best way to complete it, and selects the right tools, whether that's an API, a script, or automation software. It then carries out the task, adjusting as needed to ensure accuracy. Once finished, it delivers the final output, whether it's a report, a dashboard, or even a working application. After that, it simply stays on standby, ready for whatever comes next. No need to restart or reset. By handling entire processes on its own, Manus AI takes initiative and improves over time. The question that needs to be asked is, how much can it take on? Most AI models are like that coworker who needs a meeting to plan a meeting. Manus AI, though, just rolls up its sleeves, analyzes tasks, picks the right tools, and gets the job done without waiting for instructions. At its core, Manus AI operates within a secure Linux sandbox environment where it can install software, execute scripts, and manage files safely. This controlled execution space ensures it can handle complex operations without external risks. It also has command line automation, meaning it can run system commands, manage processes, and take care of repetitive tasks that would otherwise require manual effort. But it doesn't stop there. Manus AI can actively interact with the web, browsing websites, extracting data, filling out forms, and even running JavaScript within a browser console. Whether it's pulling research, handling web-based workflows, or performing online actions, it does so independently, making it a powerful tool for real-world applications. File management is another area where it shines. It can read, write, and organize files, making it a great fit for structured workflows and document-heavy tasks. And when it comes to deployment, it goes a step further. Manus AI can set up websites, host services, and launch cloud-based applications without relying on external tools or manual intervention. Packed with all these features, Manus AI handles entire processes independently, and you might be surprised by how well it actually works. Manus AI sounds impressive. The way it executes tasks goes beyond simple response generation. But does it actually deliver on its promises? To evaluate its real-world performance, experts subjected it to the GAIA benchmark, a widely recognized test for measuring AI efficiency across different levels of complexity. The results showed Manus AI excelling in various areas. For basic tasks, such as running simple commands and managing structured workflows, it achieved an accuracy of 86.5%, significantly outperforming OpenAI Deep Research at 74.3%. Intermediate tasks, which involved more complex decision-making and multi-step automation, saw Manus AI scoring 70.1%, slightly ahead of OpenAI's performance. When it came to highly complex tasks, those requiring intricate problem-solving and adaptive execution, it still held its own, reaching 57.7% accuracy, surpassing OpenAI's 47.6%. Makes you think, doesn't it? These numbers highlight Manus AI's ability to handle a broad range of automation processes effectively, but the system is far from perfect. Users have reported glitches, occasional looping errors, and inconsistencies in task refinement. We'll get into that later in the video. The fact that Manus AI leads across all difficulty levels shows its potential as a top autonomous agent. Even though it faces challenges with complex, multi-step tasks, its ability to operate independently sets it apart from traditional AI models. The real test will be how well it handles unpredictable tasks and adapts over time. If it can improve and tackle real-world challenges, Manus could evolve from an automation tool to a true independent assistant. Speaking of challenges, here are the issues that's troubling the Manus AI. Manus AI has generated significant interest with its promise of autonomous task execution and digital system interaction, but early users have reported several issues that raise concerns about its reliability. One major problem is looping errors, where the AI gets stuck in repetitive cycles without completing the task, making automation less efficient than intended, as noted by TechRadar in its initial user reports. Another concern is the inconsistency in task execution. Business Insider highlighted an instance where Manus AI was tested for social media sentiment analysis on Doge. Instead of accurately retrieving real-time data, it fabricated simulated data and fake reactions, raising questions about the accuracy and trustworthiness of its outputs. Performance issues have also surfaced, with MIT Technology Review reporting cases of system crashes and server overloads, suggesting that Manus AI may not yet be ready for fully autonomous operation at scale. These issues indicate potential bottlenecks in processing power and execution stability, limiting its effectiveness in real-world applications. Beyond technical challenges, security concerns have been raised due to Manus AI's ability to execute system commands. Forbes has pointed out the risks associated with AI having unrestricted system access, questioning how well it is sandboxed and whether it poses potential security threats when handling sensitive data in enterprise environments. While these issues don't make Manus AI a failure, they highlight key areas that need improvement. Its success will depend on how effectively these challenges are addressed before it sees broader adoption. Some people are calling Manus AI a DeepSeek moment for AI automation. But what does that actually mean? Well, for starters, it challenges the idea that powerful AI needs massive infrastructure. Most assume advanced AI requires giant data centers and expensive proprietary models, but Manus AI is proving that efficiency can sometimes beat sheer scale. It's also making AI automation more accessible. Unlike the big-name AI systems that come with hefty price tags and closed ecosystems, Manus AI is trying to deliver autonomous functionality without requiring expensive hardware or exclusive subscriptions. And speaking of pricing, it might just shake things up. With OpenAI rumored to be launching AI agents that cost up to $20,000, Manus AI could push the industry toward more affordable automation solutions. But does that mean it's going to take over the market? Not so fast. While it's definitely challenging the status quo, its real impact depends on how well it scales, and whether it can avoid the early missteps that held DeepSeek back. So, is this the future of AI automation, or just another overhyped experiment? Let's see what the next few months bring. So to wrap up, Manus AI surely promises next-level automation, but it's not quite there yet. Glitches and inconsistencies raise doubts about reliability, security risks spark concerns, and its reliance on existing AI models makes some question how innovative it really is. It's not available to the public yet, and there's still work to be done before it can deliver on its promises. If the team irons out these issues, it could be a game changer. If not, it might just be another overhyped AI experiment. What do you think? Future of AI or another tech flop? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI and tech updates.